Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So sa dami ng changes last month, sobrang ingay ng social media. Pinag-uusapan yung mga changes, yung mga binabang pagbabago ng Immigration of Canada regarding sa mga temporary foreign workers, especially sa low stream program. And the last one is yung tourist visa na talagang kinat na nila yung pagpaprocess ng work permit. So with that, sinasabi nila na ang dahilan daw nito ay yung wala nang mahanap na trabaho ang mga permanent residents at mga Canadian citizen, especially yung mga nagsasummer job ng mga permanent residents, anak ng mga permanent residents at mga Canadian citizen. So, dyan sa mga changes na yan, ngayon pag-uusapan natin, ano-ano ba ang mga bansa, yung mga pinanggagalingan ng immigrants dito sa Canada. So, for top 10 is France. Nagtala sila ng 4,040 new PR as of this year. And sinasabi na ang France has strong immigration ties to Canada. And the historic French influence is visible in some of Canada's major city, which is Quebec City and Montreal. So, marami ding mga immigrants na outside Quebec, such as Ontario, Alberta, at saka British Columbia. So, dyan mo makikita ang mas maraming mga immigrants from French country. So, next is followed by United States. Nagtala sila guys ng 4,180 new PR. So, over the years, roughly 3 million Americans have to come to Canada from United States, with Canada targeting American technology workers in particular. So, yun yung purpose lang ng mga pero pasok pa rin guys yung mga tao na nasa United States for top 10. Followed by number 8, which is Pakistan. Nagtala sila ng 4,485 new permanent residents. So, ang favorable position to migrate in Canada owing to their high level in English and the strong community presence of South Asians in Canada. So, yung mga tao from Pakistan is through the Federal Skilled Worker Program and through the pathway of Provincial Nominee Program. So, ang iba din dyan guys, sinasabi ni Mark Miller is yung through the pathway of international student, temporary foreign workers, and asylum seekers. Yun yung mga pinanggagalingan niya. Okay? For number 7, Iran, 5,860 new PR. So, the express entry system and the provincial nominee program are popular tools for new Iranians to come to Canada. So, many of them also utilize family sponsorship to start living again with their loved ones. So, talagang family-oriented din yung Iran. Sinasamantala nila, pag na PR sila through the express entry, kinukuha nila yung family nila. For number 6 is Cameroon, 6,785 new permanent residents. So, new immigrants from Cameroon come to Canada using various immigration programs, such as significant number arriving through the express entry and provincial nominee program. So, ganun din, sinasamantala din nila yung family sponsorship. So, syempre, pag naging permanent residents na sila, kukunin na nila yung family nila para ma-reunite din sila. And additional din is yung postgraduate program na kapag nag-aral sila dito is nagiging pathway din nila yung mga pagiging permanent residents. Okay? And for the top 5, Afghanistan, 7,055. So, through the pathway of humanitarian and refugee program. So, marami sa mga refugee naging na. And additional, some of them are through the family sponsorship and economic immigration stream. Okay? For top 4 is Nigeria. So, nagtala sila ng 8,625. Medyo mababa sila nitong April and May with 3,930. Unlike the first quarter of the year is nasa 4,695. Okay? For top 3 is China. They have 13,100. So Chinese immigrants is through the family sponsorship then and economic immigration pathway to come to Canada. So marami sa kanila guys yung mga may business dito or mayroong negosyo dito and kinukuha na din nila yung family nila. Okay? For top 2 is Philippines. So with 14,390. So, anong pathway yung nagparami sa mga Pilipino na mag-migrate dito sa Canada is through the family sponsorship, caregiver program, and skilled worker stream. So, ang karamihan na mga Filipino community here in Canada is Ontario, Alberta, and BC. So, this one is provide strong support network for new immigrants. So, yan yung sa mga kababayan natin. For top 1, ang pinakamarami guys is India. 64,730. So, many Indian immigrants come through the Express Entry Program, Provincial Nominee Program, and Family Sponsorship. So, alam nyo ba guys, yung mga nakatrabaho ko ng mga Indiano, is talagang kinukuha nila. Once na makuha nila yung permanent residence, kinukuha nila yung mga parents nila, kinukuha nila yung family nila. And another thing din dito na nagpapa-attract sa kanila is international student. Sinesend talaga sila ng mga family nila para mag-aral dito sa Canada. And by that, makakuha sila ng trabaho and makapag-apply sila ng permanent residence. However, this visible fall in the number of Indian immigrants coming to Canada compared to last year is large due to the two countries' diplomatic issues in Canada, recent cap on temporary immigrants. So, yan ang pinag-uusapan. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. And comment kayo below, guys. You can share your thoughts. And yeah. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka or ma-notify ka sa next video namin. See you!
I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the love and the happiness we chase. Sun is shining brightly, sky so blue. I wake up in the morning with a smile on my face, feeling thankful for the